Digital Theater Plus, or DT Plus, is a database of videos, study guides, interviews, and more, all for theater. There are many ways to search and explore this resource. I'm just going to show you two for now. First, if you're looking for a specific play, musical, or person, use the search bar at the top of the page. For example, I'm going to search Othello. Now with something like this where you get lots of results, it can be a little overwhelming. If you're not sure what each of these things is, look at the tag in small letters at the top and the icon in the middle of the image. The actual staged productions are tagged production, like this one and this one. Those, along with all other video resources, have a play button icon in the middle of the image. Text resources have a book icon, like this essay or this study guide. This multi-page icon is for series, which collect multiple resources on a particular topic all in one place. Here's one that's production insights on this particular production of Othello. It has production videos, interviews, and more. Let me go back to the search results. Finally, if you see the title tag with no icon, that page will bring together all the DT Plus resources on that particular play or musical. So all of the different productions, plus all of the additional video resources, written resources, and so on. If you just want to watch the play, click on the production you want and click play. And then let me go back. And here's what the study guide looks like. These are really great and have a lot of information to help you learn about that particular play or musical. You can scroll through page by page, or use the table of contents at the left to navigate to different sections. For example, the plot summary, character analysis, themes of the play, and so on. Okay, so this search box is great if you know what you're looking for. If you don't, you can explore DT Plus by browsing the table of contents. The easiest way to get there is to scroll to the bottom of any page in DT Plus and click the green Table of Contents button. Now you use the tabs across the top and the filters down the left side to find just the right kind of resource. So I'm already in the Productions tab. Now I can choose specifically a regular production rather than audio or something else. And then let's say I want something from the history genre and a theme of conflict. And here's everything in DT Plus which meets those criteria. Or I could go to a different tab. Let's try video resources. And then choose e-learning. And then the course, acting and actor training. And you get a whole bunch more resources here. Make a note that these might not correspond directly to your courses here at Hart, but resources with this course tag will be related to that learning topic. And that's it. Have fun exploring everything DT Plus has to offer.